Next. Elvin, got a couple feet. Elvin! Say hi.
Hi.
Yo. Jonathan! Yo, why you wearing Jordans, bro? What the fun? Come on, Jane. You're good, you did good. You're not me though, like Loki.
Last play.
Nah, I'm good here. I can't go in the people's way. I want them to have a good time. Damn, it's hella blurry. Nah, why is she looking at him like that? Oh my gosh! Yo, Jonathan, oh my gosh! Jonathan, I didn't get that on video, but you did good. Ah, shit. Actually, I don't even know if I forgot that video. Good stuff by Kingston. Kingston got the touchdown. The one before that one, Jonathan. Jaden, you good? Don't show your legs.
You saw that, huh?
Yeah, you good?
Nah, but my body heals really fast. I'm good.
What's your point of the game, bro? You think we're doing good?
I'm doing alright.
Alright.
Hey.
And my booty really hot though.
We'll come back next time on the Bills playing football. See ya.